Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to do Haven1 Testnet, how to participate on Haven1 Satoshi Airdrop Testnet. This testnet is mandatory for you to be able to claim your Haven1 when they finally list. Now to do it, you're going to use MetaMask. There will be a link in the description of this video. Use that link and join. First of all, you go to your MetaMask, open your MetaMask, click on this browser section. Click on the browser. Once you click on your browser, put the link on this search box here. Paste the link. Then you continue. Search for it. It's loading. Okay. It has bring us to this interface. Over here you can see join testnet. Over here you can see join testnet. Click on it. You are going to choose MetaMask. Click on MetaMask. Now you are going to see connect. Click on this connect. Okay. Wait for it to confirm. Now this is the name. Haven1 Testnet. The chain is 810. The network is this. Now click on confirm. Now switch network. Click on switch network. Click on got it. Okay, this is it. We have finally gotten the Haven1 network. For you to see it, click over to this your wallet. Click on this wallet. Can you see it has finally changed to Haven1? That means we have gotten the network. Now let's go back and continue what we are doing. Let's go back to browser. We go here. We need to finish sign up. Click on this finish sign up. Click on the finish sign up here. Once you click on it, the first one is to connect wallet, which is connected. Can you see? The second one is to connect your email address. You need to put your Satoshi email address. You are going to put your Satoshi email address here. Once you put your email address, you click on this sign up. Click on sign up. Okay, we have finally signed up. We have done the email. Then the step 3 is to provide basic information. Can you see your wallet over here? Can you see? So account type over here, account type is individual. You are an individual, not business. Then country of residence. I am in Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria, put Nigeria. Am I right? Click on Nigeria. Now click on sign up. Good. It's a sign up complete. Do your KYC verification. Click on it. Okay. This is your data. This is your data. Complete KYC to make your Haven1 passport. Now you see connect. Click on connect. You are going to choose MetaMask. Always choose MetaMask. Now click on connect. Okay. Can you see my MetaMask address on Haven1 is here, but it's not yet verified. So we are going to do the verification. Now you click on this sign in. Click on sign. It's signing in. Okay. Here is your account type, still individual. Click on individual. Country of residence, Nigeria. Choose your country of residence. Click on Nigeria. Nationality, still Nigeria. Click on Nigeria and then click on confirm. Over here, you have done the first step, which is to check your personal information. Then the second step is to verify your identity. At this point, you are going to do face scan. You scan your face. Make sure you are in a bright and light place so that you can capture your face easily. And the second option is your ID document scan and face match. At this point, he said, at this point we cannot continue this on MetaMask because it's not supported. Can you read what he said? Switch to your mobile default browser. Switch to your mobile default browser, example Chrome or Safari. You can copy the link and open it in your mobile browser to complete the KYC process, as it cannot be performed within the MetaMask mobile browser. So what are you going to do? Can you see this this little box? Click on it to copy the link. Now link copied. I'm suggesting you use Kiwi browser. That is what I used to do my Kiwi browser. If you use this on Chrome, you cannot do it. Use Kiwi browser. If you don't have Kiwi browser, go to your Play Store, type Kiwi browser, download it and use it. Once you copy these things here, this link here, you will now go to that Kiwi browser and put the link there and continue. It will now bring an interface where you will do your face scan. Once you finish your face scan, you scan your document ID. The document ID needed there are three options there. One is passport, one is your international, one is passport, one is your national ID, and the third one is your driving license. If you have NIN plastic, use your NIN plastic and do it. Follow the process and you are done. Once you finish it, give it 24 hours, they will verify you if your document is correct. At this point, I'm going to stop this video. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in my next video.